10. 11.
I'm up for it. I don't know, Phil. We'll let you drive one.
12.
Are you really going to record the whole thing?
13.
Might want to cross it up back there more.
14. 15.
And I regretted that Josie
We had another towel or something.
Mom, do you have something else to put in here?
Hey, Abel, grab that red tablecloth.
Huh?
Quick.
Oh, this was when Philip was 11.
Abel's going to get another one.
This one right here.
So Josie couldn't have driven then.
15. This one right here?
Yeah. Just get all the stuff off. Just grab the cloth.
Hey, guys, what number are you at? Are you
17.
They're counting.
38.
18. Philip, don't make him lose count.
19.
26.
How much was it on the library?
20.
Philip,
Yes.
stop it. 288 won the library one.
Yeah, it was a lot.
22.
What about the Roger one?
I think it just depends on the...
Come on, Abel, they need you, man.
Oh, it's falling again.
I know, Abel's getting the other cloth.
24. 25.
Panning out to watch the audience, entranced.
7. 28.
Hey, boys.
It works on YouTube, Mom.
It worked on 9.
That doesn't mean anything.
Oh, it's going to work.
Tuck it all around.
It's already got
It does? Where?
This thing needs a pause. Here, hold that back up.
Are you really
Hold it without touching the back up.
Apparently, I deleted them.
What are we at, Phil?
24.
Okay, I think that's it.
Somewhere around there.
Okay, 24. We're gonna have to do it from the side. I think we should do this from the side, Phil, so that people can actually see it. We're gonna put this on you. I'll send it to me. And I'll put it on my Gmail.
All right.
Ready?
Okay.
What am I
5.
going to be for dessert?
Not this watermelon, but another one will.
27. 28.
Hey, can we do 2 at a time?
No. Looking to see if it's starting to
29.
sweat yet.
30. 31.
Not yet.
33.
32.
33.
Yeah, you go to the Faith Baptist Academy, you can count.
36. 37.
Yeah, 288. Is it starting?
40.
Looks like it.
I don't think so yet.
44. That's what we're here doing it.
Is it bulging out?
42.
No,
43.
Is it getting bigger up here?
I don't think so.
I think it is.
Is it?
He's getting a big head.
Maybe it is.
45.
Yeah, I think it is.
46. I think it's because also
Different
37.
places, different kinds have done different amounts.
38. 48.
It's gonna get all over me. I better put my shades on.
It's getting in my head.
50.
Yeah, it's tilted your way. Here we go.
Yeah, be gentle when you do the rubber band so it doesn't tilt.
51.
Yeah, it's going to hit somebody.
52.
53. 54.